This means navigating the usual process of aging while also managing a chronic condition. It involves regular checkups, staying informed about the latest treatments, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. There are countless resources and communities ready to offer support, whether it's through local support groups or online forums. We're here to provide support and guidance every step of the way. From medical advice to emotional support, our goal is to help you live your best life. We aim to empower you with the tools to live your best life. Whether it's through fitness, nutrition, or mental health strategies, we're here to help you thrive. HIV and aging are closely linked. Think of your body like a car. Just like a car needs regular maintenance to run smoothly, our bodies need care as we age. HIV can sometimes act like extra wear and tear on that car. HIV can speed up the aging process. It can make the body more susceptible to age-related conditions. These can include heart disease, bone loss, and certain cancers. But just like a skilled mechanic can keep a car running, we can take steps to manage HIV and age healthily.